Okay, so I'm gonna start with sizing. And this is the mini stiletto from enailcouture, are new to his collection. As you guys see, I am growing out my natural nails, so I'm just gonna leave that under there. And yeah, we're gonna apply them. So I'm gonna size. So all of them fit me really well, so I don't need to do any additional shaping. But obviously if it's too big for your nail, or if your cuticle area is shaped different, you obviously want to file accordingly, but these all fit mine. So we can go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna take my smoothie buffer from enailcouture and I'm going to buff the cuticle area. I do wanna make it a little bit more thin so that it blends really well. Okay, so I've already prepped my nails as far as roughing everything up and cleaning my cuticles. So I'm just gonna go in with my Dehydrator and Primer. These ones are from Modelones. I haven't purchased the ones from enailcouture yet. I don't know why, I just haven't. So I'm just going in with my Opera Primer. So now I can go in with my base gel. As you guys know, base gel is what I like to use when I adhere my nails. If you guys watch Max on Instagram, you know that he does a whole bunch of different things for his nails, obviously because they're his products, but I find that base gel is the easiest to work with, and for me, it lasts the longest. So then I'm gonna cure that. And I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds. So really quickly, I'm gonna switch out my bit so that I can rough up the inside of the nail. So you definitely wanna do this step before you put on the base gel onto your nails, because you don't wanna get dust on the base gel, but I messed up. So now we can apply, I'm gonna grab my light. This isn't from enailcouture, I actually got this on Amazon, but it's the same exact thing. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the base gel. We're gonna start with the little pinky. I'm just gonna brush a thin layer on the inside of the nail, and then I'm gonna focus a bunch of it on the end right there. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna place some on the underside just to reinforce it, give it more strength. That's what I'm talking about, guys. One little extra step will have your nails lasting a lot longer. Okay, so now we have a strong mini stiletto from enailcouture. This is the perfect size for me, because the other one was too long and then the Opera one was too short. This is so perfect. So I'm gonna just finish the rest of my fingers, and then yeah, you guys can watch. So that's it. A lot of people are into glass nails, so this is just the easiest way to do it. So I'm gonna cure this again for 60 seconds. I'm gonna change my bit out. I'm gonna use a carbide bit, which is like something with a cone. Where did I put all my drill bits? Oh. So I'm gonna go in with this one, which is the one that I used for removing color also. Put it on a medium speed. And I'm gonna go around the cuticle area just to make sure that I pick up any gel that's seeped out. Now I'm just going back in with the smoothie buffer, and I'm just going to remove the shine from the nails. Just gonna round out the tips because you guys know I don't like these crazy sharp nails. These already like aren't that super sharp, but I could still fix it up. I'm also gonna go in and get the sidewalls. Make sure everything blends properly. And that's it. Just clean them off and get ready for color. So that's it. So if you guys want to see how I'm coloring my nails or painting them, then just keep watching. Okay, so I don't really know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm gonna have roses on this finger. I don't know if I want to do pink or red, so let's just do the flowers first. Okay, so I'm using a foil. It's gonna be this one right here with roses on it. So I'm gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna go in with my foil glue. I'm gonna apply that. I'll probably have to do red. I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds.
Yeah, you do.
I'm gonna find the foil I like, and I want this part at the top. So I'm gonna line it up, and you want to place the middle down first. Yep, there's a glare. The middle down, and then from there you move out to the sides. Slowly remove it, and then we have flower nail. So after that, we're just gonna apply a top coat. Lately, I've been using Kiara Sky's top coat from her jelly nail system. Or maybe they're all the same, I don't know. So to make sure we get the clearest nail possible, I'm gonna apply this to the top, as well as the underside. I'm gonna cure. So that's that. I need to decide what I want to do for the rest of the nails. So I will be back when I decide. Oh, you guys watched that the whole time, huh?
What?
I had it on the whole time. Okay, so I don't really know what color. I mean, I just decided to go with red because I just can't decide. So I'm gonna have 2 glitter nails, 2 regular nails, but this is gonna be like a deep V French. So I'm going in with this super bright, oh, this is too bright. I don't know. Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm also gonna go in with glitter. This is a red glitter. This might be freaking ugly. I don't know. It's really pretty, but it's not the same red. So I'm gonna mix these two a little bit. Okay, so this one's gonna be glitter. This one, you obviously wanna leave the inhibition layer on because we're going to pack it on. That's pretty. You see?
We got each other, right?
Wrong.
Right, Leo?
So I'm really gonna pack it on there. On both. And then with my finger, I'm gonna try and push it in. Just because you don't want a rough nail. So I'm gonna dust this off, try to get it off. Okay, so now we can go in with the top coat. We're just gonna go right over that. I'm gonna go in on my regular nails first. Go over this. We're gonna like float it on top just so we don't lose any of that glitter. And they're completely dry, so I'm just gonna grab my file and just get back the shape in case you lost it. So now, because I packed it in, it feels very smooth. So I still have the color payoff and the glitter payoff, but it's a smooth nail. That's it. I'm gonna put on some cuticle oil, which I've almost used up all mine. These are available in my store. Link is in my bio, in my description. That's what we have. I think it's so cute. It actually looks really good and I'm pleased, but it makes my hands look a lot darker than they are. which is why I usually stay away from red, but let me finish my other hand and then I'll be right back to show you guys the finished result.